Today we've all gathered here to commemorate Senator Gaines' history, and we are doing so by honoring the statue that we were able to put up today.
This statue for future generations of Black students on campus is going to be more than just representation. It's going to be inclusion. It's going to be a safe space. This is a place that you're welcome. This is a place that you're wanted. This is a place that you can thrive and be successful in. I had no words when I stepped up on the stage and truly saw the amount of people that were here to honor him. Like, I have goosebumps. His legacy and what he means for A&M's campus, we saw today. We saw how important it was for all of the people here today and for the future Aggies, for the past Aggies. It's just truly incredible.
We really wanted to make sure that when this statue unveiled, it wasn't just unveiled on campus and people walked by it. They truly did feel connected to Gaines' story, and they really did understand the importance of Senator Gaines and how his legacy is a true example of how even regardless of any background you may come from, you can leave a lasting impact on campus. I would hope that A&M students understand that even though the statue is now up on campus, the work of the Matthew Gaines Society is far from over. We are still dedicated to student engagement, leadership development, public service, and I'm really looking forward to how we will continue to ingrain ourselves in campus culture.
Thank you for continuing to believe in this initiative. Thank you for continuing to allow space to let us fight to get this statue up on campus for representation. Thank you. I hope they can also feel the power behind what you can do when you have perseverance and drive and hope